2, so we got new stuff in the mail today. 2 of them came out fine. The other one, I'm bummed. So, we'll take a look here. So we got volume 3 and 4 of Sailor Moon, and then the new Clamp Memories book, which I'm bummed they wrecked the wrapper on it. I'm so mad. So, since I'm kind of obsessing over it, over the wrapper, we're going to take a look at this first. So, let's see. So this is paperback version. Ugh. Sorry, I gotta swap hands a lot. So inside cover and the dust jacket look the same. And so we've got a lot of the previous artwork we've seen. World Chronicle. Showbits. And then the extra bookmark thing. Seem to put in everything. I don't know, yeah, it's a lot of the same artwork we've seen in years previous, but I really kind of like this. Oh, it's been a while since I've seen that picture. I love that one. That one just, I love those 3 images too. Someone did a Sailor Uranus, like, redraw of oh, what's her name? The green one down the bottom corner. I want to call her Yuki, and I don't think that's the right name. And it turned out really lovely. Yeah, I love MKR. Chun-Li. RG Vega. Oh, so that one is not half bad. So I will do myself a favor and just put the wrapper inside the cover, because otherwise I'll be depressed every time I look at it. All right. So now we're going to see if I was right about volume 3. So, hey, look at that. Red and white, just like I kind of figured it would be. So, and we've got front image, and this goes all the way through Act 21. So yeah, still like the feel of the pages. I still like the thickness of this. And I really don't have much else to say. That I didn't already say on the previous ones. Cover's still really nice and smooth, and these are all gonna look really pretty on my shelf when everything's said and done. All right, so Sailor Jupiter, green and white. Okay, so we know that the inside cover is going to match the Senshi color. So we know volume 5, which I think is coming out next month, is going to be orange or yellow and white. And volume 6 is Chibi Moon, so that's going to be pink and white. So yeah, it seems like they're coming out with 2 of these a month. So let's see, 6, 7, 8, 9. So by February 9 and 10 should be coming out, and if there's going to be any more after that, they'll probably come out in March. So, oh yeah, let's see how far this one goes. This one goes through 26 and then a pair of extras. Is it me, or does he look like more maddening than usual in that picture? I'll have to compare it with an older one. Hey, what's that? Oh. Extra little bookmark. Coolness. And the extra... Okay, so extra story. Okay, so I see a Sailor V button. Oh, this is the extra vampire story. Where they all ate like really spicy Korean barbecue, or really garlicky Korean barbecue or something. I don't know. No, that was the anime. Well, there is a vampire type story in the manga. Oh, and Casablanca Lilies. So Ray's story. Oh, that's so sweet. So, yeah, I don't know. We'll see what Volume 6 and 5 and 6 bring. I'm expecting pretty much the same quality as these. If you don't have any of the other Clamp art books, I kind of recommend this. Now I'll take another look through it later, but I'm not going to put that up on Facebook. So anyway, that's all I got for right now. And then, yeah, we'll just see you guys next month. Doodles.